So the landing was crappy, beautiful crap. Really not a good landing. It really goes to show you when you haven't flown for like almost 2 months, you really lose the skills and also the communication skills. On the radio, I think we'll leave it out.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Where I thought I was on Echo Taxi Way, and it turns out that I was on Charlie, and the ground, Vero's ground, corrected me. It's a bit embarrassing. Also forgot what to say when I get off the runway. Then I need to say what I want, where I am and what I want, and totally it flew out of my head. Nobody there? Nobody there. This is 28, right?
Land center traffic, Skyhawk 61 Golf Alpha, turning left crossing runway 28, land center.
Golf run. Airspeed is alive. Instruments are in the green.
Red right here, 13 miles to the west, land center. Antenna traffic, Diamond 143 Alpha, Alpha 3 to the south of Lantana. We're going to do a right 360, enter downwind behind Golf Alpha. Lantana traffic, Skyhawk 61 Golf Alpha, turning left downwind runway 28, Lantana.
Defense traffic, 587 Juliet is turning left base, runway 28, Montana.
Nobody's coming there?
No. The visibility is not, there is a plane over there.
Yeah. Yeah, he's going to turn base, I believe. Approach Cherokee 22336.
Number 22336 Palm Beach approach, remain outside of Charlie airspace, request.
At 1000, just about 3 miles east, northeast of Lantana. Request flight following to Vero Beach, Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, squawk 0207.
Squawk 0207, Cherokee 22336. 0207.
Cherokee 22336, radar contact 6 southeast of Palm Beach, altimeter 29904, say altitude.
Altitude is 1,000 feet. Climbing to, would like to climb to 4,500.
336, altitude your discretion, contact approach 128.3.
Contact 128.3, Cherokee 22336. I'm sorry, you were saying what? You cannot see much.
No.
Yeah, but here I see. Hazy over there. Totally hazy. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna go closer to here. Yeah, really became crappy. And I checked it this morning. Over there, maybe I'll go down a little bit.
You wanna fly over land?
Yeah, well, over there, yeah. Yeah, I would say it's marginal now. Visibility. Yeah.
November 22336, contact approach 123.62.
Contact approach 123.62, Cherokee 22336. Approach Cherokee 22336 at 1,500.
Cherokee 22336, Palm Beach approach, Vero Beach, altimeter 2993.
2993.
Vero Beach Airport information kilo, time 1153 Zulu, wind 210 at 4, visibility 5, mist, that's clear below wind 2000, temperature 26, dew point 24, altimeter 2992. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 22. Recording delivery, contact ground control. Hazardous weather for Florida and coastal waters available in flight service frequencies. Notices to airmen, airport.
Well balanced. The airplane, look at that.
Server 22336, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock, and 4 miles westbound on the final for 28 left is Cirrus, descending out of 2,100.
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 22336.
North 336, later services terminated. Keep the code. Contact Vero Beach Tower.
Contact Vero Beach Tower. Thank you. Have a good day, Cherokee 22336. Vero Beach Tower, Cherokee 22336, about 7 miles southeast of field, inbound, full stop at 1,400.
Piper, test 2, runway 22, line up weight, traffic, Cherokee, 1.5 miles final.
Runway 22, test 2.
22336, Vero Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 22.
Left traffic, runway 22, Cherokee 22336. I forgot to tell information, kilo. Crap.
22336, your traffic to follow is about 2 miles ahead of you on the downwind. Your number 3, runway 22, cleared to land.
Number 3, clear to land, Cherokee 22336. 2 miles ahead of me, there's somebody. There's no way I can see anything.
Was this the airport on the left?
Yeah, but I'm going. Okay, we gotta watch for traffic. There's one there somewhere at the same altitude, more or less. 10 o'clock. Oh, there, I see. This guy. See him? There's another guy over there. Okay, I see him. Cherokee 22336, turning left base, runway 22.
22336, thank you.
Anybody on the right? Nothing over there, right? Okay. And the guy in front of me, hopefully, is landing.
Can I put my hands on the yoke?
Yeah.
433, requesting northwest departure.
Skyfly 433, on course is approved, your discretion.
On course approved. My discretion, Skyfly 433, thank you.
Experimental calling Vero Beach Tower, say again.
Experimental 321 Mike Romeo is 11 miles south, inbound, kilo 2,900. Full stop.
321 Mike Romeo, Vero Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 22, remain clear, Fort Pearson's airspace.
Oh.
Left traffic 22, 321 Mike Romeo.
That was a bad landing.
Yeah. Tower 600 November Golf, short of 22, ready to go.
600 November Golf, Vero Beach Tower, roger. 22336, contact ground.
Contact ground, Cherokee 22336.
600 November Golf, runway 22, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 600 November Golf.
Seneca 686.
Where am I? I'm at Jet. Guess I'm on Delta. Not sure where I am. Vero Beach ground, Cherokee 22336, holding short on taxi, Echo.
22336 Vero Beach ground, you're on taxiway Charlie, not Echo, you're on taxiway Charlie, where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the restaurant, please, Cherokee 336.
336, taxi straight ahead, and after you pass the regional jet, it'll be off your right.
Straight ahead, past the regional jet, and on my right, Cherokee 22336. I'm on Charlie, not Echo. Alright, so
Taxi via Charlie, after Charlie, hold short, Delta, 80911.
So here we're at Vero Beach Airport, and actually we're in the restaurant. The name of the restaurant is CJ something. Great little restaurant. Give you a little tour. Hello, there's Brownie. Airplane, my baby is right over there. Okay. So the landing was crappy, beautiful crap. Really not a good landing. It really goes to show you when you haven't flown for almost 2 months, you really lose the skills and also the communication skills. On the radio, I think I'm going to leave it out. where I thought I was on Echo Taxiway, and it turns out that I was on Charlie, and ground, Vero ground, corrected me. It's embarrassing. Also forgot what to say when I get off the runway. I need to say what I want, who I am, and what I want. Totally, it flew out of my head. And my honey's with me, of course, my co-pilot. She took a coffee break in the middle of the flight, and I made sure that everybody's aware of it. So you're always taking coffee breaks when I fly. I don't understand it. I mean, long coffee breaks. You would think maybe 5 minutes, but you were just out.
I get tired.
Yeah. So how was the flight overall?
Couldn't see much.
Yeah, it's haze.
There was a lot of haze.
A lot of haze.
Between the haze and not having my prescription glasses, sunglasses.
So everything was very clear too.
I thought it was a good idea just to close my eyes.
Yeah. I don't blame you. It's yeah. But overall it was okay. I mean, it was nice to get back flying, at least for me. And you had a good sleep, so it's a win-win. Okay. This is actually the birthplace of my baby. It's Piper headquarters on the East Coast. I think it's the main. Anyway, but my stewardess is waiting. She has a phone call to make. And yeah. So when she gets, oh no, it's not. It's my co-pilot. She pretends to be my captain.
I want to go and see the front.
Yeah. Okay, let's go and see the front. Okay. Oh, it must be some airplanes there. It's pretty neat. Okay. I don't think there's much to see here.
Oh yeah, they have it's for breast cancer awareness group, and every year
terminal
I
over there.
And I get the nurses involved, and I make all of
The tower,
set them up,
Vero Beach,
and the nurses are manning everything.
and somebody still has the Trump Pence label decal. And here it is, Vero Beach Airport. And was it Cannons? That's the CJ Cannons. Yeah, restaurant and lounge. Nice place, really. This is gonna be our lunch go-to place to fly to. And yeah, it's a nice flight. We go by the coastline. So when it's not hazy, you have a great view. When it is hazy, it's a so-so view. Okay, we're gonna go back to the plane. One to left, I'm not say again for Cherokee 22336, I'm holding short on 30 left.
Yes, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff, left turn out to the southeast.
Clear for takeoff on 30 left, clear for the east, southeast. Cherokee 22336. There is at 12.
Tower, Cessna 574 Delta
Lights.
Echo, number 130 left.
Camera.
574 Delta Echo, very shy, roger.
Right clear? Right clear. Airspeed is alive. Gauges are in the green. Roll.
Sky 4 Delta Echo, westbound approved, running 30 left, clear for takeoff.
30 left, clear for takeoff, west approved, 574 Delta Echo.
Approach Cherokee 22336.
CC 336, Palm Beach approach, Favorite class.
Cherokee 22336. 336 at 2000, about 5 miles southeast of Vero Beach. Request flight following to Lantana.
Cherokee 22336, reset transponder, squawk 0237.
Squawk 0237, Cherokee 22336. Really hazy.
22336, radar contact 5 miles northeast of Fort Pierce Airport. Traffic is 12 o'clock, 2 miles northbound at 3000, a Skyhawk.
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 336. This one.
2336, advise of any altitude changes, please.
Descending to 1,500 to avoid, to maintain VFR. Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, turn left heading 120, vectors away from traffic on the final approach course at Fort Pierce.
Change heading to 120, Cherokee 22336.
Approach by Sierra is Southwest inbound for the RNAV 30 left.
It's fucking unbelievable. I should have chosen unable to.
5 Charlie Sierra, you are 2 miles from Zorro, cleared RNAV, runway 30 left approach. Contact Vero Tower, good day. Here for the approach, contact Tower, good day.
Approach Cherokee 22336, I need to head towards the land to maintain VFR.
22336, VFR, you can resume on navigation at your discretion. What altitude are you climbing to?
At 3,800, but I would like to descend to 1,500.
336, approved as requested, and just let me know if you need to transition through Stewart's Class Delta airspace.
Descend to 1,500, Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, Palm Beach approach, altimeter 29906.
2996.
336, you're fine at altitude for now, but for your arrivals, I might have to climb you up before you, so you can cross over the final at Palm Beach, so I'll keep you advised.
It's currently haze, and I might be unable to do the climb up. Cherokee 22336.
336, no problem. If you're unable, then I'll just put you over top the airport. And so I've pop is current
I'm gonna just
airport, altimeter 29906.
unable. Not doing this crap.
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Palm Beach Airport is over there, around 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I guess that's West Palm Beach, the beginning.
Yeah.
Want to say wave to Trump?
Oh yeah, here also. All of this is West Palm.
Number 336, resume on navigation for Lantana.
Resume navigation to Lantana. I have the airport inside. We'd like to cancel a flight following.
Number 336, radar service survey, squawk VFR, change advisory frequency approved, good day.
Squawk VFR, have a good day. Cherokee 22336.
This is the one from which we departed.
Yes. 28. Okay. Traffic Cherokee on final runway 28, Montana.
Lantana traffic 7273, Mike crossing 34 on Charlie, Lantana.